This could be India's second 1991 liberation moment. Among all the noise, there's one quiet move India just announced, a free trade agreement with the UK. Now, what's an FTA? In simple terms, it's a deal between two countries to reduce or remove taxes called tariffs on imports and exports, making trade faster, cheaper, and smoother. And this one is massive. 99% of Indian exports will benefit from zero duty under India-UK trade deal, according to the Commerce Ministry. After this deal goes live, along with the one we are negotiating with the EU, this could be India's second 1991 moment. Yes, that big. A potential inflection point for our economy that might one day be taught in school books. One sector that is set to massively benefit from this is textiles. Because UK is one of the largest buyers of Indian garments, lower duties means more competitiveness, hence more exports. And it's not just textiles, the FTA will unlock export opportunities in marine products, footwear, gems, jewelry, and more. Here are 3 companies from textile sectors you need to track. Number 1, Kitex Garments, among the world's largest infant wear exporters. Number 2, SP Apparels, a key supplier to the top UK fashion brand. And number 3, Kokaldas Exports, focused on high-end fashion garments. I wish I had more time to cover, but reels have limits. I have filtered 10 more companies from this textile sector. So if you want full list of the textile players that could benefit from the FTA, comment textiles and I'll DM you the full list. And follow Money Matters by Pushti for updates that actually matter.